Hey everybody, it's Jen. So first of all, I want to say, like, I've tried the Juvia's Place eyeshadow. This is what I'm wearing today with a little bit of like black from my Panda eyeshadow palette from the Lorac Mini Matte Pro. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this eyeshadow so much. I posted this look on my Instagram without the black, so if you want to see it there a little softer, check that out. My Instagram is Xizo Beauty, which is Xaixo Beauty, all one word. I will link it down below as well. So, as you guys know, I am working on a sample project pan and I used 10 items and I'm finding that I'm gravitating toward them quite a bit. I've used up a few of them already, so I think I'm going to add some more in. I'm still not done all of them, but I've finished 5 or almost finished 5. And so I thought I would just show you guys what I've used and what I'm actually going to throw in here so that I have a little bit more so I don't have to update so frequently. So what I'm going to do is show you my empties first, and then I'll go over with the huge amount of samples that I'm throwing in there. So the one that I'm wearing today, and this is one that I'm not a super fan of. I think the foundation is just a little bit too light. So I am wearing it like in this general area. I don't have foundation down here except for foundation powder. So you will be able to see my blemishes. I'm just having fun with some makeup in the next little while, so I don't have the perfect full face on. Maybe like 75% of my face is done. And then this lip is something that I'm considering panning next year, so I'm trying to wear it to see if it's something that I want to wear, how long does it last, etc. So back to the pan. This one is a foundation and it's from Wander Beauty, which I've never tried anything from this brand before. I used the shade Light, which is too light for me. And I think if I used this one, which is light medium, that would be much better, but I probably would have mixed the two of them together to do my full face. And it's just such a small amount that for me, it's just not enough. I have a big head, okay? A big head and it's not enough. So this one's okay. I will use this shade as well. And then once that's done, of course, I won't be able to use the deeper shades, but I definitely will use the light medium and see how that is. And I've also used another foundation, which is the Tarte High Performance Naturals. I like this. This is really nice. I would consider trying this, to be honest. I used light neutral and light medium honey. So the top two, these ones are too deep for me. Sometimes just not to waste, I want to wear them anyways, but I can't. I can't. So I'm just gonna let these go. It sucks and I hate the fact that I'm wasting product, but yeah. So the next thing is this Pharmacy Daily Greens oil-free gel moisturizer with moringa and papaya. I love this so much and I'm really considering ordering this in the future to sort of replace one of my empties. I have 2 backups of, actually I have quite a bit of moisturizer. It will probably get me through at least another 6 months or more, but I'm going to try and wait until the end of next year when Sephora has their sale, and then I think I'm going to get this because it is so good. So I have to save this little wrapper so that I know that I want to buy it. So I'm going to put my likes into sort of one pile and then my dislikes in the other pile. So far, I don't really have major dislikes except for the Wander foundation. As soon as I'm done that, that's not, I don't like that one. I don't want to use the word hate because it's too much, but I'm not a fan. It just doesn't work for me. And it's very milky. Then I have the Lancome Paris. I'm not even going to try and butcher this, but it says Youth Activating Concentrate. Now, I'm not 100% sure what this is, but it said to put it on your skin AM and PM before, sorry about the lighting, before your skincare routine. So that's what I did, and it was right. I probably got 2 uses of this, and it was nice. Like, it wasn't anything I think I need to go run out and buy, but it was okay. So I will put that in the pile of I'm not gonna buy, but it was nice to try it. But this one I want to buy. I 100% want to buy it, so I'm going to save the wrapper until October when I'm allowing myself to maybe order some things on the sale, or maybe I will hold my completed items. Like I will talk to you guys about my low buy for next year and how I'm going to allow myself to order things, but I have to complete certain items. So this is one of those items that I want to buy, and it's a pre-cleanse balm from Dermalogica, I think. Dermalogica, yeah. And it's, it's right there, but it's backwards on the screen for me. Probably for you too, so I apologize. But it says deep cleansing balm to oil, melts away impurities and makeup from the skin. This is so fantastic. I really enjoyed this. The one that I'm actually using right now is the One Size by Patrick Starr, and it's the Go Off, and I use this just a little spray on a cotton round, and I just wipe whatever fallout is off my face. You can use this to get all of your makeup off before you, like a pre-cleanse kind of thing, but I don't use it that way. I just use it to clear my fallout. But this, oh my god, this was so fantastic. I 100% highly recommend this. It was so good. So that is in my liked pile with Sephora, which actually I could probably put all these in my liked pile, but anyways, on to the next. So these are all my completed samples so far. I do have a couple that are in my washroom and stuff like that right now that I'm using for skincare, so I'm not going to go over those right now because I haven't completed them, and I really want to get an idea for what I enjoy and what I don't. But I will show you a ton of items that I'm going to be putting in. So I'm just going to go really quickly over this. I have a Dirty Beauty Blender Meet Your Match. It's basically a beauty blender cleanser, and it comes in a tiny little puck, like a little round puck. So I just have to find something for me to store this in, and then I will be washing my sponges with that. I have a primer from Laura Mercier. I have a primer from Bobbi Brown. Oh, sorry, this is a cleansing oil from Bobbi Brown. And so I have those two. So cleansing oil, interesting. Okay, that one will go in the bathroom one. And then I have a Charlotte Tilbury Charlotte's Magic Cream. So this is a moisturizer from Charlotte Tilbury, and you get a very fair amount. Like, that's a pretty fair amount. So I'm really excited about that. Going to try that. This one is Booster Quotidien. I don't even know how to say that. You guys can just look at that. So, oh, that's the French part. Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. Wow. So it's right here. Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try that out. I'm not sure what that's going to be like, but we'll see. This is a gel cleanser from Claude Lee. Then a Boscia, what is it? Oil Infused Exfoliating Powder. Subaki, I think that says. A Caudalie Vino Source Moisturizing Sorbet. I'm sorry, I'm butchering all of this. And then I have a Amore Pacific Moisture Balance. So again, basically tons of moisturizer. Obviously, I'm going to use that morning and night. It is like going like winter basically. It's freezing here where I live. It's like freezing. Actually, I shouldn't say that. It's not into the minus temperatures quite yet during the day. Maybe a little bit below zero. I go in Celsius because I live in Canada. But it's not too bad yet. I also have a rejuvenating serum from Tata Harper. Never tried that brand before, so that'll be interesting. And then I have another Caudalie Vino Perfect Instant Brightening Moisturizer. So quite a bit of moisturizers. And then I have a pile of like makeup-y type stuff. So this one is the lippies from Sephora. So I'll be trying those 4. Has the different names there and colors. So that'll be fun to try. I have a couple of foundations. So this one is from Pat McGrath. This one is from Estee Lauder. I hear this one is fantastic. This is a concealer, I believe. Yes. Then I have a setting powder from Laura Mercier. I have a concealer from Jouer. I love Jouer. I can't wait to try this. And also more foundation from Fenty. And you get 2 different kinds. There's a soft matte and a filter hydrating. You get 2 different kinds. So I'm definitely going to try these, and I'm really excited about that. those are all my updates. Oh, pardon me, I have one more. A Gimme Brow. I got this one as well for free, so I'm gonna do this one as well. This is, I believe, my last one, if not my second last one. And then I'll be hopefully done using these, because I basically just use that glycerin soap and my dip brow pomade, or my MAC, the brow gel, you know. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know if you guys are doing a sample project, and I will talk to you later. Bye.